Hi, what I'm going to show you is how using AI automation, we can scan images and get data extracted out of it and also find meaningful analysis. This demo, I'm going to take it a step further and show you ECG analysis from a file, an image or a file that contains the ECG, and we'll generate a report of that ECG, which gives a more meaningful insight about what that ECG is and and other things. So you will just get to see that in a minute. I do not have a user interface for it, so I'm going to use this tool, which is for Postman, to get this work done. And let's get fired up. So what we're doing here is we're going to send in 4 parameters to generate this report. Not mandatory that we need to know. Like, for example, reason for test, I have written right now, not known. Medical history, also I'm saying not known. So I'm not providing any details. The language is important because I can give you this report in any language that you want. So right now we're doing EN, and I'm going to choose the file that we have to send. So at this point in time, I'm going to choose an ECG file. Let's take any of these. So I'm going to take this ECG file. It's a PDF file, but we can also do an image, which I'll show you in the next iteration. So I'm going to send this PDF with no medical history and no reason for test, with the language output as English. This is going to give us a report of this ECG in a Google Doc as a link, which you can then open and view the doc. So as you can see, here is the Google Doc. And I think I will not have access to this report here. Yeah, so let me just take you to another screen where I should be able to um, show you another screen, right? Just hold on somewhere. I'm going to switch to an entire screen share so you can see my whole screen now. And I'm going to take you to this page. I'm going to open a new link and paste that Google Doc. And as you can see, this is the detailed extraction of that particular ECG that was uploaded. It says the age of the person is 15 years, is a female. I don't know how did it find the race, but yeah. So it says this is a normal ECG. It also recommends potential illnesses, treatments recommended, and history and related concerns. Now, let me just go to that ECG. I'm sorry about this. There are a lot of folders. Yeah, this folder. And this is what was the file that got uploaded. So here it says, oh, okay. So here it found the detail. It says it's a female, age 15, profession. The name of the patient is not mentioned. It has already has some details, and it has the ECG itself. So this is one method. Let's go to another ECG. So this is an ECG, another ECG. It does not have a lot of information. And let's see what it shows this as the output. So I'm going to go back, reduce, remove this, attach. Instead of this, let's do the image. So there's an image file. So this image file, I'm going to add, and I'm going to send this. Okay. So we have the output. Let's copy it. Let's click in. And let's go to this ECG now. Okay, in this, the patient's details are unknown. So let's check what is the ECG. Yeah, there's no data. It's just the ECG report itself, right? The meter reading. There's nothing in this, and hence it couldn't find any of the details. But it also, but does give all the data that is required. I know these were normal ECGs, so hence it shows this is normal ECG. If there was any other abnormalities, it should have been detected, right? So now let's do another one. So this is a normal ECG, right? Let's take the third example. And upload this ECG and say reason for test, uh, chest pain. Yeah, let's take this chest pain. Medical history, high blood sugar. Now let's see what it does. This is a bigger file. It took some time, but as you can see, we have the output, and let's test the output. Okay, it has the patient name, the age, the medical history, right? The findings, right? All the details, potential illnesses. It has given history of concern, high blood sugar, ECG abnormalities. It is mentioning about the raises significant concerns. Uh, yeah, so I'm not a medical professional, so I'm not sure how to read this, but this is what you know we can do from a PDF or from a an image. Thank you so much for watching.